But niggas, as niggas, the best way to keep our relationship, all we can do is shut the fuck up and listen to our girl. That's it. Us niggas, it don't matter how we feel. Fellas, y'all know they don't give a fuck about us. It don't matter, my nigga. As long as we can pay the bills, you feel what I'm saying, and give some dick from time to time and go on a little few dates, these bitches don't care about us, nigga. Stop thinking bitches care about you. Bitches don't care about you, and they don't care about me. We here for one reason, bro. These bitches don't give a fuck about us, nigga. Y'all think bitches care if we happy? No. No. Our happiness don't matter, nigga. Don't, as a man, don't ever think we deserve to be happy. We don't. These ladies, I'm telling y'all what these ladies gonna say without saying it. You think these bitches care about us being happy, nigga? Fuck no. Fuck no. That's why we gonna cheat on these bitches. Let's